So,
But seeing 10 universities from around the country come out, whole groups of students, they have these electric cars, and they all have completely different proprietary built mechanisms on top of the cars, cameras, lidar, radar, systems in the trunk, computing power, I overheard students talking about what GPU stacks they used, and they're all after the goal of competing in this autonomous driving challenge, which I've heard is for General Motors. It's kind of a recruiting tool for what they do in the future for autonomous driving. Obviously, autonomous driving is the future. Like that's that's
it's the goal, at least.
That's a thing. Yeah. Like there's like the Tesla promises that never happen, but I think if we talk, in a decade, there's probably, there's already Waymo and stuff. Eventually, I think we're going to get to that point where we're all chilling in a car that drives itself. And it's very eye-opening to see that at AutoDrive. That's the most recent one that's on my mind. But even with Formula and Baja, just seeing all these engineer heads, come out and build cars from the ground up to do different things, you start to see how we're able as a species keep progressing. Technologically, there's a constant churn of innovation, and every single class of people that comes through these colleges is basing everything on what the previous class did in the previous competitions, and that blew my mind a little bit about all the SAE stuff.
You have probably talked to somebody who currently is or is going to be a rocket scientist.
Yeah. Yeah,
it's like
they're all smarty pantses.
Yes.
They're all no, it's cool.